Congratulations, Research America, on your 25th anniversary. Thank you for passionately advocating, Mary, you've got passion, for funding scientific research and for advocating, making it a national priority to improve the quality of all our lives. Thank you. So, what's in style this season? What is fashion dictating? At Jeffrey Bean, new ideas. It's all about innovation, which makes you, Dr. Hood, in style. Dr. Hood, where are you? Here he is. In style. We call him a trendsetter. Our product, clothes that care. Our investment, research. That is why 100% of our net profits fund research at the Jeffrey Bean Cancer Research Center at Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center. Alzheimer's, heart disease, veterans' causes, scholarships, and many more critical causes. Plus, encouraging young people to go in science through our Rock Stars of Science campaign, because it is just simply cool. Tonight, we have the honor to present the Jeffrey Bean Builders of Science Award to the father of invention, a man who trusts his instincts, a trailblazer, a visionary and advocate, whom, as described by one of his colleagues, said this about you. Dr. Hood, he's still not here, okay? Sorry, you're missing all of this. Anyway, described you this way. When he was advocating for the Human Genome Project in 1985, and I quote, "Working in the face of deep skepticism from many, he spoke out at the NIH, DOE, and wherever people would listen, including testimony in Congress, delivering a compelling vision for the future of biomedical research with the genome in hand." Well, Dr. Leroy Hood, I say you are a stunning, inspirational rock star of science. Your voice is improving the quality of life. Dr. Hood is a pioneer in the systems approach to biology and medicine, created the Institute for Systems Biology. His research has focused on the study of molecular immunology, biotechnology, and genomics. Dr. Hood's professional career began at Caltech, but just a moment, he was also a quarterback there, so this man knows how to make touchdowns. Bravo. So we're not surprised when you hear all the things he's done. The guy knows how to get past the finish line, I'll tell you that. Well, at Caltech, where he and his colleagues developed the DNA gene sequencer and synthesizer and the protein synthesizer and sequencer, yes, a lot of S's, for instruments that paved the way for a successful mapping of the human genome. Before Dr. Hood invented the automated DNA sequencer, it took 30 years to sequence the genome of the cold virus. Well, recently, it took less than a day to sequence the genome of the SARS virus. So consider this. Before Dr. Hood invented the automated DNA sequencer, it cost, by one authoritative figure, $180 million to sequence the first gene. Today, I have been told, it costs $6 to sequence a gene. Have I got your attention now? Dr. Hood is bringing down the cost of healthcare. Capitol Hill, can you hear me? This man is rocking. Technologies originated in his lab have transformed biological research, enabled the Human Genome Project, and allowed him to contribute important insights in immunology, cancer, neurobiology, and inherited diseases. Get ready for this now. Dr. Hood has been instrumental in founding 15 biotechnology companies, has been an advisor to many more. He currently holds 36 patents, has published more than 700 peer-reviewed articles, and he is one of the very few scientists worldwide to have been elected to membership to all 3 of the U.S. national academies. Now, this is a builder of science. Throughout his eminent career, Dr. Hood received numerous awards and recognition. Well, of course. I actually counted them. I saw pages and pages. I go, what the hell? I'm going to take a count. I got up to 100. I said, that's it. I can't list them all here under time constraint. So I will only tell you just a couple of them that are pretty rather significant. Listen to this. Here they go. Lasker Award for Studies of Immune Diversity, the Kyoto Prize in Advanced Technology, the Heinz Award for pioneering work in systems biology, and most recently, the coveted NAE 2011 Fritz J. and Dolores H. Russ Prize for automating DNA sequencing and that revolutionized biomedicine and forensic science. And the crowning touch, Dr. Hood received the 2011 National Medal of Science, which he received in 2013. Wow. Like I said, he's a rock star. In short, your colleagues have eloquently described you over and over as a visionary, a tiresome advocate, persistent, optimistic, inspirational, who embodies the spirit and sets the example of a builder of science. And one colleague said this in particular, and I quote, "Leroy Hood has not only done great science, but he has created new science through which many will create new knowledge to the benefit of all of mankind that will last forever." So it is our honor to be included amongst all of Dr. Hood's awards. And my husband Tom and I want to thank you for all you have done to help save and improve lives. Your contributions to humankind are incalculable. Please join me in congratulating Dr. Leroy E. Hood for receiving the 2014 Jeffrey Beam Builders of Science Award.